Most testers believe good testing means testing everything, whereas senior testers know that's exactly how releases fail. If you try to test everything, you are not being thorough. You are avoiding decision making, and testing without decisions is just execution. Every real project has limited time, limited people, and fixed deadlines. So the real question is never what to test. The real question is what not to test. Because when release pressure increases, teams don't need more test cases. They need someone who can decide where risk actually lives. Junior testers react to requirements. They create massive checklists. They try covering everything equally. And ironically, that's when critical defects escape. Whereas senior testers work differently. Before writing a single test case, they reduce the testing scope using risk thinking. Testing starts with elimination. They ask three questions: what can break the business? What will impact users immediately? And what failure would damage trust? High impact areas get testing priority, everything else becomes optional. Because testing is not about features, it's about consequences. A minor UI issue and a payment failure are not equal risk. Senior testers always test impact, not functionality. At some point, someone must say, this area is safe enough. We move forward. That moment is where testers become decision makers. So, execution finds bugs, but risk judgment prevents disasters. And organizations promote testers who reduce uncertainty, not those who write the most test cases. This is why interviews rarely ask how many test cases you wrote. They observe how you think. Can you prioritize? Can you justify skipping tests? That's senior thinking. The biggest career shift happens when you stop asking, what should I test? And start asking, what can I safely ignore? So, real testing reduces risk early because prevention decisions always save more than late detection ever can. So, if you want to grow beyond execution level testing, start thinking like a risk owner, not a checklist follower. That's where senior testing actually begins. Let's talk about the software testing mastery program. Real projects experience one page cheat sheet after every lecture and 30 structured videos for comprehensive learning. It gives you a clear roadmap to your software testing journey from foundations to expert. If you want the complete real testing roadmap with real projects breakdown, interview framework, templates, one page cheat sheet after every lecture, and structured roadmap of 30 videos, the course is live on Udemy as Software Testing Mastery, ISTQB plus Real World plus AIR skill. The course link is on the screen and in the description as well. So if you are serious about growing your career in testing in a structured and complete way, I'll see you inside the course.